Goa police has taken cognizance of Prudent's expose about Indian Mujahideen terrorists getting aerial attack training in Goa. National Investigating Agency or Karnataka Police have not contacted Goa police in this regard so far. But ATS of Goa police will investigate this matter. Some corps of anti-terrorist squad and Goa Intelligence Bureau has questioned the house owners at Kairi where the trainer stayed.
Prudent is continuously exposing how many terrorists are coming to Goa for holidaying, doing recce or taking training. In our Sunday bulletin, we had shown how Indian Mujahideen terrorist Syed Ismail Ashfaq travelled from Bengaluru and camped in Goa for 5-day-long training session in November 2013. Shockingly, Goa police or local intelligence unit had no clue about it, but after the exclusive broadcast by Prudent on Sunday, Goa police has come out of slumber. After the telecast of this news on Prudent, State Unit of Intelligence Bureau and State ATS was activated. Cops on Monday visited Kairi, Harmal and questioned the house owners suspected to provide accommodation on rent to the paragliding trainer. Prudent inquired with some senior officers of Goa police about terrorist Syed Ismail Ashfaq taking paragliding training in Goa. But senior officers said that so far they have not been contacted by Center or State Investigating Agency in this regard. According to sources, State Unit of Intelligence Bureau and State ATS has started investigating about the antecedents of the trainer. With Bureau inputs, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
43 wards out of 159 wards in 11 municipalities will now be reserved for OBCs. Cabinet has approved ordinance to facilitate 27% reservation for the OBCs in the upcoming municipal poll. The ordinance was approved by circulation. Poll for 11 municipalities in state is scheduled for 25th of October.
Cabinet and circulation sign maरून magasta governor च्या approval गेला ordinance.
Through circulation cabinet.
Cabinet approval झालं त्याचं. माझ्या अंदाजान हायन शेनवारा सही मारल्या मध्ये आयतार झाला आज सोमार झाला म्हणजे आज गव्हर्नरकडे पावपा जाय राज्यपालाकडे पावपा जाय आणि आज सांजपासून नोटिफिकेशन येवपा जाय काय दिसता म्हाका SC आणि ST ती कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनान घातलेले आहा 243 आर्टिकल म्हणटा ते कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आहा म्हणजे ते कॉन्स्टिट्यूशना प्रमाणे करपाचें पडटा OBC कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनान आसले ते आमी आतां एकट्यान आतां घातला ही एक फाट OBC 27% जाल्या 33% महिला जाले ST SC जाले आता तेणें बसोवपाक जाय तें फाटले फावटी रिजर्व जाल्ले वोट परते रिपीट करपाक जायना DMA करतालो
ते केन्ना पर्यंत जावपाक जाय कितें
लायट दिसा भितर जातलें न्हू एक फाट ऑर्डिनन्स येयले की फुडलें काम करतले ते
There is no need of dropping any minister. Instead, government should fill up the existing vacancy in the cabinet. This is what the Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza opined in our weekly program Head On. He said BJP should have contested ZP polls independently to test its strength if it wanted to break alliance with the MGP. He said party should continue alliance with MGP. He clearly stated that elected MLAs deciding their CM is a more democratic way than declaring CM before polls.
कितली गरज आसा रिशफल जावपाची आनी व्हेरी फ्रँकली वॉट इज युअर चॉयस ऑफ रिशफलिंग
पूण म्हाज्या मता प्रमाणे कोण सिनियर आहा कोण केपेबल जाल्यार जावचो तितूर चॉयस व्हडलो स्कोप ना तितून कित्याक लोकसभा न्हू ती कितके लोकसभान कितके आहा 542 कितके लोक आहा
परफॉर्मन्स इवॅल्युएट करून तुमकां दिसता की एक ड्रॉप बीट करपाची एक्सरसाइज जावपाक जाय ऑर एट दीस मोमेंट पॉलिटिकली इट इज नॉट व्हेरी कन्विनियंट
इवॅल्युएशनूय खरी येतालें पूण हेजे पयलीं तशें केन्ना जावपूच ना न्हू तें केन्ना जालां आनी तूं सांग म्हाका केन्ना तरी इवॅल्युएशन कोणेन तरी केलां केन्नाच करूंक ना तें पूण इवॅल्युएशन करून मागीर तुका रिप्लेसमेंटाक गावपा जाय न्हू ते रिप्लेसमेंटाय ना थंयसर चॉयस इज नॉट व्हेरी बीग चॉयसीस आर व्हेरी लिमिटेड
एज फार एज MGP इज कन्सर्न वॉट डू यू थिंक द अलायन्स शुड कंटिन्यू
सो आय एम सेइंग दॅट इट्स अ प्री पोल अलायन्स पोन्ने अलायन्स आमी कॅरी फॉरवर्ड करपा जाय
even in the next election
even in the next election आमच्या डेटा ना न्हू इलेक्शन तोडपाक तो डेटा आमी तयार करपा जाय आसलो आमची ताकद पळोवपा जाय आसली आमी कितके मजबूत आहा तें पळोवपा जाय आसलें वी हॅव नॉट डन इट तूं सारको डेमोक्रेसी तत्वान वयशी जाल्यार निवडून येयल्यार ते लोक लिडर थारायतात दॅट इज वॉट इज एक्सेप्टेड पूण शक्य जाल्यार तुवें तें दुसरें करी येता शक्य जाल्यार म्हणटा हांव की ते युनॅनिमिटी आसपाक जाय बाबा हो आमचो लिडर आमकां इलेक्शनाक व्हरतलो आनी निवडून हाडटलो.
What does it matter? You are just stopping at saying that the democratic way is the best.
ते करप आनी लोकां मदें वचप, that is not too democratic.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.